Okay, everybody, I want to quickly show you how you can do the screen or digital cookie platform because this has a couple steps to it. Don't judge my desktop here, it's a little bit messy. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you can go to the Girl Scouts website. I just searched digital cookie, but you can obviously go to cookies, cookie resources, digital cookie. So this is where you'll want to go. And then you got to scroll and scroll and scroll. Click on request a registration email now. And then it's going to take you to this. And I set this up last year, so this is where I kind of got caught up the other day. I submitted this didn't work. So I had to request a digital cookie registration email. It took about 5 minutes. And then I got here, I got the email, and then I clicked register now. And then I can create my digital cookie password. And I'll do that quick. And then from there, you can submit. And this will show you, how you want. Never show me that again. Get out of there. This will show you everything you think you need to see. Hopefully I can skip this. Anyway, get out of here. And so that should get you set up so that you can get started with your daughter and get this all set up. So hopefully that helps. And if you have any other questions, let me know. Have a good one.